Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Savik TV, your home of infotainment. We're coming to you live from GRA, Ilorin, Kwara State, and welcome to Vlogly Day 10. Vlogly Day 10, guys. It has not been easy, but we're still keeping on. So join me and let's get to enjoy Kwara State. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, did you know that engaging with nature, including trees and flowers, can have a positive impact on the mental well-being and provide a form of therapy to an individual? Did you know that? So here are a few ways in which nature, particularly trees and flowers, can get to contribute to your overall well-being. Number one is stress reduction. So whenever you spend time in nature, it has shown that your stress levels get reduced. Trees and flowers have a very calming effect on the mind and the body. So the presence of greenery and the natural elements can actually help to lower your blood pressure. They get to lower your stress hormones, and of course they equally get to promote relaxation. So anytime you get an opportunity, please visit a place where we have trees, visit a place where we have flowers. The second benefit of interacting with trees and flowers on your overall well-being is that it gives you an improved mood. So being around trees and flowers can get to boost your mood and alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression. Nature has a soothing and uplifting effect, and the vibrant colors, of those flowers and the vibrant colors of those trees and the pleasant scent that you get from those flowers actually can get to enhance very, very positive emotions and create a sense of joy and happiness on you or in you as an individual. The third benefit of interacting with trees and flowers to your overall well-being is that it gives you enhanced cognitive function. Spending time in nature has been linked to improved cognitive function, whereby it enhances your attention span, your concentration, and of course your creativity. So you become a very, very creative individual. You think widely, you tend to think outside the box. Taking a nature walk in a natural setting, such as a park or a forest, can actually get to provide a good mental break and improve focus and productivity. So anytime you feel like you're worked up, please step out, go to a forest near you, go to a place where there is a bit of nature, and just get to relax. You will be motivated, your cognitive function will be rejuvenated, and you'll be able to work well and concentrate again. Benefit number 4 of interacting with trees and flowers to your overall well-being is that you get a good connection and mindfulness. So interacting with trees and flowers actually allows you to connect with the natural world. It promotes mindfulness and being present in the moment. Whenever you take time to observe the intricate details of flowers, or whenever you get to sit down under shade of a tree, you can actually it can rather help you to cultivate a sense of gratitude, peace, and at least you get a deeper connection with nature, or a deeper connection to nature, and that way you get to relax and your mind actually gets to be peaceful once more. So anytime you get an opportunity, please sit under a tree or just go and watch the flowers. Watch as bees get to suck the sweet juices from the flowers. Go out there, don't get bored in the office, just step out and get to relax your mind. So whenever you get to interact with trees and flowers, here is the fifth benefit to your overall well-being, and that is physical benefits. So whenever you spend time in nature, it often involves gentle physical activities such as walking or gardening. These activities can actually get to improve your cardiovascular health, increase fitness levels, and of course they get to provide an opportunity for exercise in a natural and enjoyable environment, because it involves movement of body parts and all that. So anytime you need to exercise a bit, you need to loosen a bit, please engage in walking around, visiting trees and flowers, and you'll definitely get to enjoy. Do a bit of gardening, you'll get to enjoy, and you'll get to relax. It will equally have a physical benefit because you'll involve usage of energy and all that. You'll sweat a bit. It's a very good cardio exercise, and you need to explore this. Boy, oh boy, distractions are real. So before we could even finish checking the benefits of interacting with trees and flowers, groundnuts were being sold around, and I had to stop by and just engage in the conversation and try to buy some groundnuts. So let's buy groundnuts, guys, before we revisit this whole thing. How much are the fried nuts? How much? Let me have like that. To be continued.